Hi YouTube, hey please, my fit fam. So we're heading to the gym. It's 5:20 Florida time. So we're going to do either chest or back, depending on what I have. It's an apartment gym, so little limited, so we'll see. All right, so I started with lat pull downs. I did 2 warm-up sets and 3 heavy sets of 8. The warm-up set was 15 reps, and then I moved to chest presses. Same thing, 2 warm-up sets, 3 sets of 8, going heavy. I did these in my chest day routine, so you can go check it out. Then I did some face pulls. Now we didn't need to warm up because our muscle already warm. So we just jumped straight into our heavy sets, 3 sets of 8 heavy. And I paired with this with some Arnold presses. Y'all know this is my favorite shoulder workout, shoulder chest workout. Make me feel like me. Then I went on to some elevated chest presses, exercises that I did in my chest day workout routine again, so you guys can pre that. Then I did some bend over pull downs. I'm so sorry you guys could not see the clip. My cameraman never did I do him job right, I saw. But basically again went heavy. Finish up the exercise with some arms, did some bicep curls, and then I did these around the worlds. Now, these around the worlds are my first time doing them, but I like them. I think I'm going to keep them in my routine. All right, that's that for chest and back day. Whenever showing our outfit, these are the sets that I got from Shein. If you guys missed the video, everything under $10. This is included in number 1 shoes from Amazon, but yeah. All right, so we just finished. It was a good workout. I'm not gonna lie. Was it a good workout, Jada? Yeah. That is it. You know the Louise, right? Louise, right? Anyways, we did finish up with 10 minutes cardio, just walking on the treadmill, not too deep. Some of the videos that Mama did record, it did cut out, but I don't know, you know. We are not expert vloggers, so we're fine. But yeah, that's it for upper body day. Can we do chest and back? I didn't like it. But no, mama know if I don't like it. So somebody wake up late. Technically it's 5 o'clock for me because it's 5 o'clock in Dallas. Anyways, good morning. So it is leg day. We decided for split leg, no hamstring today and then quad tomorrow. So today we're gonna do some, you know, Romanian deadlifts, my favorite, and them things there. So enjoy. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and tap the subscribe button if you find value from this content. All right, so one thing I said I was going to start doing in my workout routine, no excuses, are these mobility exercises. Honestly, just to warm up my muscle and, you know, loosen up my joints. At the end of the day, we are getting up there in age. So the things that we could have done in our 20s, we simply just cannot do no more, at least without warming up. So this is just something I do run through real quick. It's nothing, you know, there's no like routine to it. I just move my body how I feel before I jump into my workout. So starts off with my favorite RDL, 2 warm-up sets of 15 reps before I go into my 3 sets of heavy, 8 reps. You know what heavy feel like for you, so do what it feels like. And then I pair these with some hip thrusts. They didn't have the barbell in there, so I had to use the dumbbells with this. It did hurt my hip bone, I'm not gonna lie, but we got it done. Then, you know, these, I'm gonna tell you, say these will make your ball for your mother, your granny, your father, your grandfather, your cousin, your auntie, your uncle, everybody, right? These Bulgarian split squats, you will really feel it in your butt. Notice I am bending forward, kind of looking down to target your glutes. I'm gonna tell you, if you're not doing this in your exercise routine, in your leg day routine, do you even care about building your butt? It is a no. But my like these, I was already warmed up, so I just jumped into the 4 sets of 8. We did 4 sets of 8 with this one. And I'm gonna tell you, may I feel it. Look at my sweat. Jeez. But we're getting through it. One exercise at a time. We'll get through it. We'll get through it. Like, the more I say it, the more I'm tricking my mind that yes, I get through it. All right, and then we did do the single leg hip thrust. Now, this was my first time doing it. For be honest, whenever did I feel it in the muscle, in the glute, where I did want to feel it in. I do think I'm going to keep it in my routine though, and then perfect it throughout time. And then I know I'm going to feel it more. But it's basically going lighter in weight than you would do the regular hip thrust. And then we move on to these hamstring curls, seated hamstring curls. Now, because it's seated, you're not going to really compromise form as much. So you want to use this opportunity to go as heavy as possible with this one. We did 3 sets of 8, making sure you breathe as you push it down. And then we wrap up with these pull through on the cables. It mimics the RDL, but you kind of get like a deeper stretch when you're in that down bent over position because of the stretch from the cable. All right, y'all, so we are done with leg day. It was a good leg day, but not gonna lie, we felt it. We just focused on hamstrings and glutes, but I'm gonna tell you, so we're gonna head on up now, get some protein in, and be done with the workout for the day.
I can't blend it frozen because it will.
Oh, so you soak the fruits. Y'all, may I shake. That workout was intense. And them damn Bulgarian split squats, but about to get my protein in. I know somebody asked me how I maintain my hair during my workout.
Should I hear?
I don't. I really don't. But not look nobody. Okay. So over you see me is all you get me, okay?
You know what's funny? Your hair is thick. So it's like
the
it
roots
don't really move.
No. What? Look on the end.
Well, to that.
And then the roots puff up like cotton candy.
But yesterday it never looked.
Because yesterday I was sweat this much.
Yeah.
Listen, when I tell y'all I give 0, okay, that's why I always in braids. I go braid my hair next week. If I want to look decent in the gym, I fling in some braids. Otherwise, you get me or you get me. That's why if anybody look mean at the gym,
Good luck.
I'm really like what I'm saying. I really like what I'm saying. All right, I'm gonna drink my protein shake. 30 grams of protein, 160 calories. Can't beat that. All right, y'all. So it is quad day and it is not 5 a.m. at this point, as you can clearly see. But we had a really long day the day before and we were like, we now wake up 5 o'clock in the morning. So we woke up when we woke up. As I said, I'm trying to start all my leg day with mobility exercises. I should really be starting all my workouts with mobility, but because I have an extremely tight hip, I am trying to focus on mobility for leg day so I can get a proper stretch and a proper range of motion. And as I said, I'm not getting younger, so if I go start taking care of my body, I go with the vibe with this one, just stretch out my muscle. I'm not holding the stretch, I'm moving. It's called a dynamic stretch. I'm moving as I go. So we're going to start off this exercise with narrow stand leg press. Narrow stand meaning your knees are touch, your thighs touching, your legs as close together as possible. Of course, I did the 2 warm-up sets before jumping in my heavy sets. I had paired that leg press with some goblet squats. And I'm going to tell you, I hate goblet squats with a passion. Okay? Now, we did go on and do the same Bulgarian split squats we did yesterday. However, remember yesterday we did kind of bend forward, kind of looking down. Notice how today we're standing upright, like said, we are salute the queen, we are salute PJ Patterson. Upright targets your quads, bending over targets your glutes, okay? So then we did move on with some walking lunges because walking lunges target your quads more than your glutes. Reverse lunges target your glutes. Then we wrap up with some leg extensions. We did double leg extensions as heavy as possible and then single leg extension as heavy as possible. You're supposed to be walking like Daffy Duck after this. Again, I'm trying to take better care of my body, so I finish up with some stretching so I can, loosen up on them things that because you lift heavy, you stretch your muscle, you tear your muscle when you're lifting. Give them some love and some care by stretching them out and making sure that the next day you'll be able to walk. It not gonna eliminate your soreness altogether, but it will help. And that was that for 3 full days of exercise, y'all. You saw back, chest, hamstrings, and quads. Now you can split them up throughout the week, or you can combine them and do as I did. But let me know how you like these kind of content by hitting the like button and leaving a comment down below, and of course the subscribe button. Boy, y'all, that is it for quads. That did tough, I'm not gonna lie. I think I like hamstrings more than quads. What do you think?
I like that you feel quads.
No, sir, quads can stay there.
But it's like it's gonna kill you when you
Yeah, while you do it, you said you know, start home to your mother. But yeah, guys, go get our protein in.